You can make your hair look thicker by using everyday remedies. Here, I'm going to tell you some natural treatments that can help thicken thin hair, regardless of whether additional treatments are required or not. 1. Treatment with eggs. Eggs are rich in protein, which the body needs to develop strong, thick hair. When used regularly, the egg product can thicken and strengthen a person's hair. To use an egg treatment, take 1 or 2 eggs and beat them together. Then apply these eggs to the scalp and damp hair. Leave the eggs on the scalp for about 30 minutes. Then wash hair thoroughly with warm water and mild shampoo. Or you can mix egg yolks with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of water. Then apply this mixture to the scalp and dry hair. Leave hair in this condition for about 15 minutes. Then wash hair with warm water and a mild shampoo. 2. Treatment with olive oil. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 acids and other important nutrients for overall health, including hair health. When applied directly to scalp and hair, olive oil thickens hair. Olive oil also softens hair and reduces dry scalp. Before using, heat the oil to body temperature. Then massage the warm oil into the scalp and hair and leave in hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then rinse out the olive oil with mild shampoo. Some people add honey to the olive oil, and others suggest leaving the olive oil on overnight, using a shower cap to cover the hair. 3. Treatment with proper nutrition. A nutritious diet containing healthy fats, proteins, and a range of vitamins can help making thinning hair stronger. In fact, thin hair can be a sign that a person is not getting enough nutrients. To remedy this, people with thin hair should include some of nutrient-rich foods in their diet. For example, salmon fish, which is high in protein and fatty acids. Eggs, which contain protein, omega-3, and iron. Walnuts, almonds, and other nuts, which are sources of fatty acids. Greek yogurt, which is a source of protein. Green, black, pinto, and other beans, which contain protein. You should add 1 to 2 servings of any of these foods to your daily diet. Even adding just 3 to 4 servings per week can help to improve your hair health.